Isomerism in coordination compounds. So far, you have got familiar with coordination compounds or complexes. In previous videos, you have seen bonding in coordination compounds and nomenclature of coordination compounds. In this video, we will discuss the isomerism in coordination compounds. Isomerism is a phenomenon in which complexes or compounds have same molecular formula but they are different in their structures, and because of the difference in the structure they have different physical and chemical properties. Such compounds are known as isomers. Isomerism is broadly divided into two types: structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. In structural isomerism, compounds have same molecular formula but they differ in the structural arrangements of ligands or groups of atoms around the central metal ion. Whereas in stereoisomerism, the position of ligands or groups is same but they different in spatial arrangement around the central metal ion. Structural isomerism as well as stereoisomerism are divided into different types. There are 6 different types of structural isomerism: ionization isomerism, hydrate isomerism, coordination isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordination position isomerism, and polymerization isomerism. Stereoisomerism is divided into two types: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. First, we will discuss structural isomerism. The first structural isomerism is ionization isomerism. This type of isomerism arises due to the difference of groups or ligands within or outside the coordination sphere or square bracket in the coordinated compound or complex. Here, these two reactions are given of a pair of isomers of cobalt complexes. In first reaction, this is a complex or compound of a cobalt pentaamine bromo cobalt 3 sulfate. In this compound, there are 5 amine ligands and 1 bromide ligand present within the square bracket, and sulfate ion is present outside square bracket. This compound is red violet in color. When this compound is dissolved in water, it produces a complex ion and sulfate ion, and the solution of this compound gives test of sulfate ions. In second reaction, this is the isomer of the first complex. In this complex, 5 amine ligand and 1 sulfate ion is present within the square bracket and a bromide ion is present outside square bracket. When this compound is dissolved in water, it ionizes to give a complex ion and bromide anions. This compound is red in color and it gives test of bromide ions. As you have seen, the physical as well as chemical properties of these two complexes are different, but their molecular formula are same. The only difference in these pair of isomers is the presence of bromide ligand. In first complex, it is present inside the square bracket, and in second complex it is present outside the square bracket. Here few more pairs of isomers given of ionization isomerism. In first example, These two complexes are of cobalt. In first complex, 4 amine and 2 chloride ligands are present inside the square bracket, and nitrite ion is present outside the square bracket. Whereas in its isomer, 4 amine ligands, 1 chloride and 1 nitrite ligand is present within the square bracket, whereas 1 chloride ligand is present outside the square bracket. In second pair, the difference is in the presence of chloride ligands. In first case, 2 chloride ligands are present within the square bracket, and in its isomer these two ligands are present outside coordination sphere. In third example, these two complexes are of cobalt, and the difference in these complexes is of the presence of thiocyanide ligand. In first example, it is present outside the coordination sphere, and in second example, it is present inside the coordination sphere. Second type of structural isomerism is hydrate isomerism. This type of isomerism is similar to ionization isomerism, and this is arise due to the presence of water molecule, whether it is present within or outside the coordination sphere as coordinated group to the central metal ion, or as a water of hydration. Here, 3 isomers of hydrate isomerism given. In first example, this is a complex of chromium in which the central metal ion chromium is bonded to 6 water molecules with coordinated bond. These 6 aqua molecule or water molecule are present inside the coordination sphere, whereas 3 chloride ions are present outside the coordination sphere. Because of this particular structural arrangement of ligands, when this complex is dissolved in water, it ionizes to give 3 chloride ion, and it does not lose water when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, because water molecules are present inside the coordinated sphere. In second isomer, this complex contains 5 water molecule and 1 chloride ligand within the square bracket, which are coordinated to the central metal ion, and 2 chloride ion and 1 water molecule are present outside the square bracket. When this complex is ionizes, it gives 2 chloride ions and lose 1 water molecule when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Now this 1 molecule, because present outside the coordination sphere, reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, whereas in first example all the 6 water molecules are present in coordination sphere. In third isomer, 4 water molecules are present inside the coordination sphere, whereas 2 water molecules are present outside the coordination sphere. When this complex ionizes, it gives 1 chloride ion and 2 water molecules when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Here 2 more pairs of hydrate isomers given here. First example is of complexes of cobalt, in which first example one water molecule is present inside the coordination sphere, whereas in the second complex of first pair, water molecule is present outside the coordination sphere. In second example, these two pairs, these two complexes are of chromium, in which first complexes contains two water molecules within the coordination sphere, whereas in second complex, one water molecule is present within the coordination sphere and the other water molecule is present outside the coordination sphere. Third type of structural isomerism is coordination isomerism. This type of isomerism arises in compounds containing both cationic and anionic complexes, and the difference in the isomers is in the distribution of ligands. Here, in first example, this is a complex of cobalt and chromium. Its cationic part is hexaamine cobalt, whereas complex anionic part is hexacyanochromate ion. These two cationic and anionic parts combine to form a complex. In its isomer, the ligands are exchanged and the cationic part is hexaamine chromium, whereas the anionic part is hexacyanocobaltate. The only difference is in the positions of ligands that are exchanged in cationic and anionic complexes. In second example, similarly, the cationic part of this complex is tetraamine copper and the anionic part of the complex is tetrachloroplatinate. And in its isomer, the 4 amino ligands are exchanged with 4 chloroligands. Now, the anionic part is tetrachlorocuprate, whereas cationic part is tetraamine platinum. Here, two more pairs of isomers given. In first pair, the complex having cationic part hexaamine chromium, whereas the anionic part is hexacyanochromate. In its isomer, two amine ligands are exchanged with two cyano ligands. In last example, the cationic part of the complex is tetraamine platinum and anionic part is tetrachloroplatinate, and in its isomer, one amine ligand is exchanged with chloroligand. So, in coordination isomerism, the exchange takes place within the square bracket of cationic and anionic part of the complexes. Fourth type of structural isomerism is linkage isomerism. This type of isomerism arises in compounds containing monodentate ligands having more than one donor atoms. In these ligands, there are two possibilities in which the ligand may attach to the central metal ion. Here, different examples of monodentate ligand with two possibilities of the donor atoms are: first is nitro ligand. In this ligand, the donor atom is nitrogen, and in this ligand there are two oxygen atom, which can one of the oxygen atom can also donate its lone pair of electron to the central metal ion. When it does so, it is written as ONO and it is called as nitrito. In first case, when it makes bond with central metal ion with nitrogen atom, it is called as nitro. Similarly, in cyanoligand, the donor atom is carbon, and in the same ligand, nitrogen is also capable of donating its lone pair of electron to the central metal ion, and this ligand is known as isocyano. In SCN, uninegative anion, in this ligand, thiocyanato ligand, the donor atom is sulfur, and in this ligand, when the nitrogen atom donates its lone pair of electron, it is called as isothiocyanato. In two different complexes, the only difference is in the point of attachment or the type of donor atom, and this difference causes the difference in the physical and chemical properties of the isomers. Here, a pair of isomer given in first example. This is a complex of cobalt pentaamine nitro cobalt 3 chloride. In this complex, nitro ligand is present, making bond to the central metal ion cobalt through nitrogen atom, whereas in its isomer, the nitro ligand is bonded through oxygen atom to the central metal ion, hence it is named as nitrito, and the name of complex hence is pentaamine nitrito cobalt 3 chloride. First complex is yellow in color, whereas second complex is red in color. They are also show different chemical properties. In second pair of isomers, here thiocyanato and isothiocyanato ligands are present. In first example, uh, sulfur is the donor atom, and in its isomer, the nitrogen is the donor atom. Hence, the complex is named accordingly. Next type of structural isomerism is coordination position isomerism. This type of isomerism is shown by the bridged complexes and results from the difference in attachment of ligands. Here, a pair of coordination position isomers is given. In first complex, there are two metals, cobalt and iron. These two metals are bonded to each other through two bridging ligands, and iron is bonded to 4 amine ligands, whereas cobalt is coordinated to 4 water molecules. The only difference in these isomers is the difference of ligands around the metals. In first example, 4 amino ligands are bonded to the iron, whereas in second isomer, these ligands, 4 amino ligands are bonded to cobalt, whereas 4 aqua or water molecules are bonded to iron. This is another example of coordination position isomerism. In first example, the 4 amine ligands are bonded to first cobalt, this cobalt metal, and there are 4 amine ligands and 2 chloro ligands are bonded to the second cobalt metal, and these two cobalt metal ions are bonded to each other through two bridging ligands. In its isomer, there are 3 amino ligands around one cobalt metal and one chloro ligands, and around the second cobalt metal ion there are 3 amino ligands and one chloride ligand. So, the only difference in coordination position isomers is around the metals. The ligands are present differently. sixth type of structural isomerism is polymerization isomerism. This is not a true isomerism. This type of isomerism is used to denote compounds having the same empirical formula but they are different in molecular formula. For example, in the first example, this is diamine dichloroplatinum and its isomer is the tetraamine platinum and tetrachloroplatinate. These two complexes have same empirical formula, but these complexes have different molecular weight. In second example, this is a complex triamino trinitrocobalt and its isomer is hexamine cobalt and hexanitro cobaltate. So, in these isomers, they have only same empirical formula.